97 Nissan Maxima, 4th gen Maxima, catalytic converter, federal spec, shipped to Queens, New York, from Arkansas. Looks like Rogers, Arkansas here. Alright, let's open it up, see what it looks like. Home Depot copies Maxima keys for cheap, like $2. Alright. Ordered it about 2 weeks ago. This is the second full week, and it finally came. Just to give you a brief idea, today is July 3rd. Today is July 3rd, 2014. It is a Thursday. I ordered it on May 30th. That was about 2 Mondays back. 3 Mondays ago. So I guess Arkansas is really far. We're shipping ground, regular ground. I guess it's a 3-way box that covers over and folds in. It's the front of the box. It's a 3-way box that folds in. Okay, unboxing. It's magnaflow. I bought it off of warpspeed.com. Warpspeed was supposedly selling this version of the catalytic converter for $100. So plus shipping tax, that made it like $112, maybe $120 the most. So if you don't want to spend $300 on a stock OE cash, look into warpspeed.com's magnaflow for the federal spec. If you're Cali spec, you have to find it. If not, go on Rock Auto. They have a bunch of those Walker and other type of catalytic converters for $100 also, or maybe $200. Depends. Got my flanges here. Alright, aluminum and felt, maybe. Cardboard material. Fresh bolts. What are all the bolts at? It's 2 sides, you know. Oh, they're in the box. Washers. Extra. Oh, this thing is heavy. Oh, there goes a bolt in there. See the. Alright. Now, where is the O2 bung that the O2 sensor goes to? Because that's exactly one of my main issues that I wanted to get it from Warp Speed. Where's the O2 bung for the O2 sensor? It's probably on the flex pipe, probably on the Y pipe. Magnaflow warning, please install this as our system. Before that, I guess make sure it's cold. Who's not going to do that? That's stupid. And this is a converter warranty certificate. Installment statement. If you read it online, it'll tell you what you're actually getting. If not, I guess you can flip to this installment statement. But anyways, I thought it had the O2 bung on it because I did order a federal spec. I'm going to have to review my order packaging online as well as on top of this box. So, in the meantime, it's the regular size as the one that's on my car anyway, so I don't care. Nice. Nice. For $100, I'll fuck with it. I don't care. It's just as heavy as the one on my car. The only difference between that one is rusted to shits. So I'm actually going to go and take a look at the one on the car and see if it has the O2 bung in it, or is that just a big hoax. I had an extra one lying around that I bought off a parts car, but that one was burnt out and I gave it to the scrap metal, so I can't use that as a reference. So bear with me, I'm walking to the car. These are the hands that works on automobiles as a hobby. Shh, don't tell nobody. Hey, Chuck. Nah, not right now. Nah, not right now. 4th Jan. Don't laugh. Intermediate, resonator, catalytic converter, and then the flux. Oh, looks the same. There's no O2 going on it. Oh, there you have it. That white pipe, well, rear catalytic converter, the main cat, has no O2 bung needed on my federal spec. So, if you get a federal spec with no O2 bung on it, it's correct. The O2 bung for that emissions is actually after the cat, in the back of it. That's the front, that's the back. And it's in the resonator itself.